Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 6-speaker audio system, auto high beam headlamp control, premium cloth seat trim, keyless entry, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, electronic stability control, rear seat center armrest, alloy wheels, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.